Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to create link in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to create your account link on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp, make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to create a link. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dotted icon available for us at the top right and tap on settings. Now in order to create your account link, guys, you can see the QR code icon available for us just beside our phone number or contact name at the top of the screen. Tap on that QR code icon at the right side of it, and over here first you'll be required to share this information to somebody. To do that, tap on the share icon at the top right corner and tap on WhatsApp first, and now you'll be required to send this link to someone. So I'll be just messaging myself, and after that, after tapping or selecting myself, tap on the green arrow, and you can see, guys, this kind of interface will appear where your link is created over here at the below side of your screen. Send it, or you can just copy paste it there, copy from there also, and over here also tap and hold on it, and it will be copied. And this way, guys, your account link or your profile link in WhatsApp will be created. And there, guys, this is how to create link in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.